What's up, guys? What's going on? Let's talk about what is BNB, Binance Coin. Let's talk about how it works, the Binance ecosystem, utility, and fee discounts. Let's get into it. Imagine a digital coin that powers one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. That's BNB, short for Binance Coin. BNB is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance ecosystem. It started as a simple token but has grown into a key player in blockchain and decentralized finance, DeFi. For beginners, think of BNB like a loyalty point system for Binance users, but with real money value. You can buy, sell, or use it for various perks. BNB was launched in 2017 through an initial coin offering ICO by Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. At first, it ran on Ethereum's blockchain as an ERC20 token. Later, it moved to its own blockchain, now called BNB Chain. This chain is fast, cheap, and supports smart contracts, making it great for everyday crypto activities. How BNB works. The basics. BNB works like other cryptocurrencies, but with some unique features. Its total supply started at 200 million coins. However, Binance uses a burning mechanism to reduce the supply over time, which can help increase its value. Every quarter, Binance burns a portion of BNB based on the exchange's traded volume. This is like a company buyback its shares to make the remaining ones more valuable. In 2021, they introduced an auto burn system that automatically removes coins from circulation. As of 2025, the circulating supply is around 145 million BNB. Thanks to these burns, BNB uses a consensus model called Proof of Staked Authority, POSA, which combines staking, locking coins to support the network, with authority from validators. This makes transactions quick, low cost, often just pennies per trade. For beginners, holding BNB is straightforward. You store it in your wallet, like Trust Wallet, owned by Binance. I didn't even know. Or hardware devices like Ledger. To get started, buy BNB on Binance with fiat money or other cryptos. I don't know. You might be able to buy that on BitTrue or BTCC. I'm not sure. I have affiliate links to that in the description, guys. Utilities in the Binance ecosystem. BNB isn't just for holding. It's a utility token with many users in the Binance ecosystem. It's like a Swiss Army knife for crypto fans. First, on the Binance exchange, BNB lets you join exclusive token sales via Binance Launchpad. This is where new projects launch their coins and BNB holders get early access. Second, BNB powers the BNB chain, where it is used for gas for transactions. This means paying tiny fees for sending tokens, swapping on decentralized exchanges, DEXs like PancakeSwap, or farm yielding apps. You can also stake BNB to earn rewards. Staking helps secure the network and gives you passive income, often 5 to 10% annually. Plus, BNB is used in governance. Holders vote on proposals for chain's future. Beyond Binance, BNB integrates with games, NFTs, and even payments. For example, some merchants accept BNB for goods, and it's used on Binance Crypto Card for everyday spending. In 2025, BNB's ecosystem has expanded with more DeFi tools and cross-chain bridges. making it easier to move assets between blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. The utility keeps BNB relevant in a crowded crypto market. Fee discounts in 2025. One of BNB's biggest perks is saving money on fees. On Binance, if you use BNB to pay trading fees, you get a 25% discount. For spot trading, buying and selling cryptos, fees start at 0.1%, but with BNB, they drop to 0.075%. This adds up if you're an active trader. In 2025, this discount is still active and unchanged from previous years. You enable it in your Binance dashboard. Just toggle use BNB for fees for future trading. There might be additional perks like 10 to 20% off in some programs. Binance.us also offers a 25% discount for US users. These savings make BNB ideal for beginners starting small. No need for high volumes, even tiny trades benefit. Plus, with Binance VIP program, holding more BNB can unlock even lower fees based on your trading tier. You know, I do have a Binance US account. I'll probably put that in the affiliate links. So you guys will be able to find that probably. We'll be adding it. Because yeah, you get the 25% off discount on your trading fees there at Binance.us. They probably got a promotion with deposit as well, most likely. So yeah, I'll try to put that link in the description on the link bio link. If you click there, you see all the affiliate links there. All right. In conclusion, why BNB matters for beginners. BNB is more than a coin. It's your everyday ticket to Binance world. It simplifies crypto by offering discounts, utilities, and growth potential. For beginners in 2025, start by buying a small amount on Binance, enabling fee discounts, and explore BNB chain apps. Remember, crypto is volatile, so research and invest wisely. With its strong ecosystem, BNB remains a beginner-friendly choice for diving into digital assets. All right. Well, that was pretty informational about BNB, Binance Coin. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have anything to add. Put a comment down below. And also, check out my affiliate links. We got the banner rotating at the top talking about everything. So, like I said, just click the link in the description, that link.bio link. It's in the description and also at the homepage of this YouTube channel. I appreciate y'all. Smash up the like button and share out the video if you can with your friends. Let them know about what BNB is. And have a good day. We'll see you guys soon. Peace out.